Hey everyone, and good morning. I hope you're all having a lovely day. It is absolutely freezing here. I say freezing. We're wimps here in the UK. It's -3. But I don't know, it just feels a lot colder today. So, excuse me, I'm here in the warmth of the lovely house. I've just whacked my heating up nice and high, and I have another craft haul for you. And yes, I shouldn't have gone, but I did. I went to the range yesterday. I decided to treat myself. I had a really lovely day yesterday, and something really lovely happened, which I've kept quiet because I didn't really know what to expect. And anyhow, let me tell you, I went on to BBC Wiltshire Radio yesterday. I was asked to go on to the show to talk about my channel and my crafts, and it was really lovely. I felt very, excuse me, very honoured to be asked to go on the show, and it was a lot of fun, and I came out and I felt really, it was a lovely feeling. So the range wasn't too far from the radio station, so I thought it would be rude not to go in and have a look at their craft items. And actually, they've got a new range in, which I wanted to share with you, and some really, really, really lovely things. So this is what I got. So I'm going to put all these to one side and show you all of the things that I got. Oh look, I got some batteries for my one of my craft items. Oh, they're not from the range. Silly me. And they're not from the range. Okay, I need to put those to one side a minute. Oh gosh, they're going to fall everywhere now. Those weren't from the range. They're for another video, which I will do later on. And those aren't from the range. Let me just make sure. Right, these are all from the range. So, I'm knocking everything over as well. Excuse me. Right, so they're my batteries. They're not really very exciting for craft items. Excuse me. Now look at these. I love these. These are like stickers, but they're like little shakers, and they're like little bottles, and they're fairies behind them, and they're £1.99. But I do have a fairy journal to do, and I thought that these would be a lot of fun in them. Look how cute they are. And they had this new range called Fairy Tales, and there are a couple of things I got from that range. Okay, so that's those ones. I'll put them there. Excuse me. Also got these craft flower embellishments. Now, I haven't got prices on all of them, but they're either £1 or £1.50, I think. And I just liked, I know they're glittery, and we don't tend to do a lot of glittery things in the vintage journals, but I think sometimes they do look rather nice, and they're quite a nice size as well. They remind me of the Pansy Punch from Stampin' Up, actually. Very, very similar. Okay, there's that one. And I got 2 packs of these. I think these were £1.50, and they're like these plastic flowers. Lots of lovely flowers, but you've got some bling in between as well. And I think I already have some of these off-white flowers, but I don't have brown and green. And green is actually one of my favourite colours. So I got 2 packs of those. Oops. And I got lots of different coloured flowers. Let me just put these. Dovecraft. Okay. So I'm just trying to put these in. Right, okay. So these were £1.50 a pack, and they're just these paper flowers, but I just thought that they're handy to have. I have some white and some red ones, but I don't really have the little white flowers. I have some big ones, which I was getting out last night. These are the big ones that I already had, which were from the range, but they're quite big to put on journals. And I saw these little ones and I thought, oh, they're really cute. So I got those in different colours. And then they had these ones which had these lovely different sort of flowers. I don't know how they'll sit on a project, but we shall see. But I've got another project in mind for these flowers as well, which is not which are not journals. You'll be pleased to hear, some of you. Right, okay, and then this is from the Fairy Tales range, and they are they were £1.49, and they're sort of like just on the petals, nice colours, and they were lovely. They were from the Fairy Tales range, and they're just, I love the blues and the pinks. So I got 2 packs of those, and obviously the other day I got some of these Mr. Men and Little Miss dies for the kids, and Joshua had a lot of fun. Excuse me. So I thought I would try and get the collection for him. So this is Mr. Greedy, and they're just lovely little dies, and they're £1. So he loves his crafting, and it encourages the kids to craft. And we've got Mr. Bump, and is that Mr. Happy? Yeah, Mr. Happy. So we've got Mr. Happy, Mr. Bump, and Mr. Greedy to go with Little Miss Princess, and I can't remember the other one I got. And then I got these. These are from the Fairy Tales. Oh, I've missed some flowers. In that other range of flowers, I got the little pink ones and the off-white ones as well. And then these paper flowers were from the Fairy Tales range. They were £1.49, and there are 30 paper blossoms, and just lots of different lovely colours there. Excuse me. Oops. And then these I thought were really good. These were three packs for £1.99. So I got, oh, that's another Fairy Tales one. Sorry, I got 2 packs of those. And these trimmets are 3 packs for £1.99, and I love the colours of these ones, and they've got like little a beady thing in the middle as well. They're really lovely. I really like these, and I thought they're really good for 3 packs for £1.99. And I got these lovely craft card hearts. Doesn't say how many's in the pack, but 10, I think. Yeah, I'd say about 10, and they're lovely. They'll make lovely tags for your journals, or anything really. A pack of these, which I didn't have in green. I have got these in brown and blue and pink, but I didn't have the green ones, and I'm wanting to bring some green into one of my journals, so I got a pack of these. There's 24 paper flowers in there. And look at these butterflies. I think these were £1 a pack, but I think these are beautiful. We just love butterflies. Look at these stickers. They're just, but they're like 3D ones. They're, you know, raised. The lovely raised stickers. Thought they'd be beautiful in a journal. Oh, we've also got Little Miss Birthday as well, and she's holding a cake. And I've got these tassels. These are jute tassels, and they're 2, 4, 5, 10 for £1.50. And these craft paper flowers, these were £1, I think. But these are nice and big. I already had bought some of these and used them actually, so I thought I would get some more. And then I got some. Did I get these from? Oh, hang on. Did these from the range, or were these from Poundland? Yeah, I think these were from the range. Yes, they are. It's alright. I've bought some things from Poundland as well. No. Now I'm confused. Yes, they are from the range, and so are those other things. Right, that's all right. It's me getting confused. These are from the range. It's right after I went to the range, I went to Poundland. So yes, these are from the range, and they were £1. And then I bought some brads as well in like the antique colour, and I think they were £1 or £1.50. But they're quite big. They're quite a nice size. I needed some bigger ones, so I got some of those. And look what I found in the range as well. And these have given me an idea for a craft video. Look at these lovely like ribbons and buttons and embellishments, like little banners and ribbons. So I thought, oh my gosh, this is a great idea for me to use my buttons up and my ribbons, and I will do a little tutorial on these because I love them. And I think these were I want to say £1, but it could have been £1.50. I didn't pay more than £1.50 for anything, but I love these butterfly ones and these flowers. And then there's another pack there of those. Aren't they cute? Oh, look, that one's got a lovely cute birdie on. Oh, these are beautiful. I love these, and it's given me a great idea for using up some of my ribbons and buttons and things. Just so cool. So that is my the range craft haul, and I've got to put all these things away now. I'll be back with a Poundland craft haul, and it's a washi tape wonder. Oh my goodness me, if you like washi tape, you need to watch the next video because I couldn't believe it. I have to show you, but I'm going to put it into another video. So I will be back in a bit, and I'm also going to be doing a craft tutorial later, and tomorrow I'll be doing a couple of product reviews as well. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.